If your Windows 11 is stuck at 100% disk usage, follow these steps to reduce disk usage and improve performance. First step, disable SYS main service. To do this, go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services, you just need to find SYS main service, just double click on it. If you can't find the SYS main service, then in our case, maybe it named as Super Fresh. You just need to find that. After that, startup type, set this to disabled and stop the service and select apply and OK for save changes. After doing it, sign step, you just need to disable Windows search service. Just double click on it. Startup type, set this to disabled and stop the service and select apply and OK for save changes. And the third step, you just need to reset virtual memory. To do this, go to search menu and type advanced system settings, click on open it. Under performance, select settings, select the advanced tab. Under virtual memory, select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select a C drive. Select the custom size. And now you just need to find out how much RAM installed on your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. See in installed RAM. In my case, I have 32 GB RAM. After knowing that, just to close stuff here and check my video description for this installer size and maximum size. Just to copy the values depends on your RAM. In my case, I have 32, so I am copying paste it the installer size value. The same thing for maximum size, copy and paste it. After pasting these values, select the set option. You just need to do the same thing for all the drives listed over here, guys. And each drive listed, you will able to see the values under paging file size. Select the OK option and select apply and OK. Select OK and select the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, fourth step, you just need to run chkdsk command. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it and press enter. You just need to type in keyboard Y and press enter. The volume will be checked the next time your system restarts. You just need to restart your PC to run the scan. Fifth step, you just need to update Windows and driver. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates, click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date, guys. After getting you are up to date, on the left side you just need to select a notification. Click on notification and actions. You just need to disable the notification over here and just to close stuff here. Now you just need to open the software that comes with your graphics card and go to drivers tab and check for updates. If you have any driver updates available, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card driver up to date, guys. After doing it, just to close stuff here. Sixth step, you just need to upgrade to an SSD if you are using HDD. If you are still using an HDD, consider upgrading to an SSD for better performance. After following these steps, your disk usage drops. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give a like and subscribe. Thank you.